Subscribe. She's sleepy, guys. She's knocked out. Here's her little teddy bear.
Nabababa yung mga giants.
It's because it's strong, so it can buhat them.
Vlog takeover, guys. We're here at my house and we're doing an overnight party. This one is my baby girl.
His name is Trixie Regel, and she's in TikTok. Search her. Just try it, you will see her. She has like blonde hair. She has purple hair dati. And black. In 2020? We want it. 2022. We want it. That's because you were like, you have short hair. You were like this.
Ano ba?
And I saw Kuya RC.
Ano ba gabi ate?
Long hair. Mas maganda pa yung mukha mo.
How about the hair? Purple or the...
Purple siya. Purple ako.
Ayan, dyan na sila. Yung giants. Yung giants kasi angels yung dati.
Paano nangyari sila?
Tinatry nila kung ano meron sa taas.
Yes lang.
So na-effect sila? Ate?
Ha?
So, tinurn sila? Yung
Oo.
king?
Oo. In-order sila ng king. Napuntahan yung taas.
Tapos umakyat sila na king ano?
Yeah. So they might know what's inside the top of the
Eh, bakit siya umakyat?
Awit talaga.
Mga king giant na yan. Si Jack. Ha?
Because the king wants to know what's in the top of the inside.
Pero pag pumasok, hindi taas lang.
What?
Hindi taas yung pumasok lang. I-change ka? Mag-change ka?
Super high yan.
Ay, matagal pa yan. Makita ba sila? Ayun na. Si Nigan, bait-bait na. Ate, ang bait-bait na
Lahat
ni
ng
Nika.
side eh.
Nika, ay, nakuha mo pala. Kailangan ko hindi. Kahit mo dito pa rin, hindi nila makikita. Sa'yo naman ito eh. Okay. Hindi ko alam. Can you help? Ate, asan mo nilagay yung ano ko? Diba we labas it?
Ano?
Yung wallet ko. Pwede diba? Hindi ka pa tulong na. I think it's at your bag. You put it at my bag? No.
Rubbers yan.
I think.
Out na. Lord.
Ano
Ayaw.
dito? Ano to? Akala ko tayo ha. Uy, yung other wallet ni Nika na.